Hey guys, welcome back to another Clean With Me video. Today we will be cleaning my downstairs. I can't believe that summer is almost over, and so I just have not had the motivation. The kids will be starting school here very shortly, so if you're interested in coming along with me or need some cleaning motivation, just keep on watching. I'm just starting out in my kitchen, putting everything away and then emptying the dishwasher. This is one of the first things I do each morning. And that's Levi dancing for you. He's my goofy one. But here I was trying to empty the dishwasher and he kept coming in asking what was for breakfast. I don't know if I'm the only one, but other moms out there maybe can relate. But he's always wanting me to cook breakfast versus just making a bowl of oatmeal or having cereal, toast, anything like that. So I was just asking him for a little bit of help. Usually the boys will help me empty the dishwasher during the summer in the mornings, but here I was just asking him to help so we can hurry up and make breakfast. And one thing I like to do when emptying the dishwasher is just empty it all on my counter right there and put like items together and then put them all away just because it's clear crust on the other side of my kitchen. It just makes it a little bit quicker that way. Now this was after breakfast, so of course there were a few more dishes in the sink, and I usually like to keep on top of this throughout the day as much as I can anyways. I do have my boys help me with chores throughout the house, especially during the summertime. It gives them a little bit of motivation because they want to get on the game system, so I'll have them help me by doing a few things before they do that. It also teaches them a little bit of responsibility, so they do have their daily chores and then they will have some weekly chores as well. for coming along with me to clean on this hot summer day. Hopefully this has brought you some motivation to clean today, but don't forget to enjoy your summer with your kiddos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Wave hi.
I'm the mess. I'm in the mess. Hi. I'm a part of the mess. Good luck cleaning me up.